So I get this question almost every single day. Felix, what actually is LiveCops? You see me talk about it, you see the results, but you're just not sure what it is. Is it a course? Is it just a Discord chat? Today, I'm gonna be giving you guys a full behind the scenes tour of the entire LiveCops ecosystem. I'm gonna show you the free community that gets you set up from scratch and the paid group that gives you the exact tools that I use to make £30,000 a month in profit. This is the ultimate beginner's guide to LiveCops. So let's get into it. So straight away, let me clear up the confusion. What actually is LiveCops? LiveCops is an online community and Discord platform that helps you succeed in reselling and Amazon FBA. Our mission is to make reselling accessible, transparent, and most importantly, very profitable. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about setting up and building complete and proper businesses. We have a big focus on Amazon, so we're doing online arbitrage, Amazon to Amazon, retail arbitrage, but we also just generally do reselling, so we'll do eBay flips and just all sorts of ways that you can make money online, usually through e-commerce. LiveCops has been around since 2020, and over the past 5 years, our members have made millions of pounds in profit from reselling and Amazon FBA. And a lot of that money has come directly from the leads in LiveCops and the opportunities that we've been able to put our members onto. So there are two ways to join LiveCops. We've got the free community and we've got the paid community. So first up, let me tell you about how you can join LiveCops completely for free. So on screen now, you're going to see what happens when you first join the free community. This is what you'll see. You'll see this little welcome screen, which just gives you a bit of information on how you can get started with LiveCops. So when you first join the free community, at first, you're not going to be able to access most of the server. You have to complete some steps to get access. So we have a 3-step process for getting started with reselling and what we'd recommend. So we recommend you start a limited company, and here's your kind of information on how you do that. We also recommend that you sign up for a Revolut bank account. The reason being is that Revolut offers virtual cards, as well as a whole bunch of other features that are really helpful as a reseller. What's really great as well is if you sign up for Revolut through our link, we get a little kickback from Revolut for you signing up. So if you sign up for Revolut through our link, you'll actually get 4 months paid subscription in the full LiveCops server, which is worth about £250. In step 3, you've also got some information on how you can get set up with your first wholesaler to buy products from Amazon. But none of this is strictly necessary to join the free community and get full access to that free community. It's just recommended steps that we give to all beginners so that you have the chance to basically get paid access to the paid community completely for free, just from doing a few little things like making a bank account. So all you have to do to get started is just head down to here and DM ModMail. So if you click on this link and we can DM them, can you give me access to the free community? And this will just contact the LiveCops support staff, and you'll then get access to the full free community once they've verified you're not a bot. So you can see on screen now, we've now got full access to the free community on LiveCops because our account has been verified. You can see now we've got all this information on the tools that we offer in LiveCops. You can access our AI-powered LiveCops Genius tool as well, completely for free in the free community. We've got links to various bits of software that we're partnered with as well that we recommend for various things. And you'll also have access to all of the chat channels as well to meet other people and just discuss whatever you're up to reselling wise. Now the free community is fairly limited. You will get access to the LiveCops Genius bot and the kind of free community, but aside from that, you won't be able to talk directly with the paid members in the group. And you'll also miss out on all of our stock monitors, all of the leads that we post, any profitable products that go into the group, you're just not going to have access to in the free community. So if you want to take things to the next level and you're ready to scale, whether it be in Amazon FBA or reselling in general, the paid community is what you're going to want to upgrade to. So for just £59 a month, you get access to so many different features. There is a full list of all the features that we offer in the free community that you can have a look through if you are curious. So head down to the description and you can join that right now. But let me show you around the paid community so you know what you're getting for your money and how it can transform your journey and take you straight to profitable months. So you have a little look around. So we've got just some information channels about kind of getting started, how to kind of use LiveCops to its fullest potential. So first up, we've got the community section. So in here, you can kind of give suggestions. We'll also run giveaways every now and then. So in here, you can see these are various suggestions from people in the group that we can then kind of vote on and decide whether or not to add those visitors to the group. We've also got the point shop, so you can earn points just from being active in LiveCops, as well as contributing leads and various other things, and you can cash in those points for free paid months. You can cash them in for LiveCops merch or mentorship calls or whatever it is that you want. You'll also have access to the full main chat channels as well, so you can talk to all the other members in the server. You'll have access to the success channels as well, so you can see here is all of the paid members in the group and all of the success that they've been having lately with kind of leads that they found in the group or other stuff like that. You can see this guy here made £20,000 in a single month last month, which is super impressive. We've also got chats dedicated to stuff like using our Amex and Avios rewards to their fullest potential. So kind of when you're reselling and you're buying a lot of stuff, you're often using cards like Amex, so you're going to rack up a lot of Amex points, and this chat will tell you exactly how to use them to your fullest potential. In the flips and deals section down here, you've got all sorts of different flips and deals, as it would suggest, and these are all perfect for selling on eBay and other platforms. This is less like Amazon focused and more just kind of general reselling. So we've got Lego flips, we've also got Pokemon stuff as well, so the latest Pokemon drops that you can resell, and loads of other stuff as well. Got a huge Amazon selling section as well, so in here you'll have all of the Amazon to Amazon leads that we post. You'll also have access to a whole bunch of online arbitrage leads as well, so this is where you're just buying off other retailers to sell back onto Amazon at the kind of full retail price. We've got our kind of pre-screened Amazon to Amazon deals, so all of these deals here are scanned with AI and given a deal score and kind of a deal summary indicating why it's a good deal or why it's maybe not a good deal, so that you can just focus on the best deals possible. All of this stuff as well can be linked up to auto checkout software, so that you don't actually need to be active in the group. You can just have software buy this stuff automatically for you, which just gives you that true hands-off experience with ecom. And we've got a huge range of A2A stuff, whether it's just kind of you just want the AI filtered stuff, you want business account specific flips, or you want stuff like warehouse use like new products. We also do lead raffles as well, so the slower selling listings we won't kind of give out to every single person in the group. We'll only give those out to a few members at a time. So you can see most of these are given out to like 3 or 4 people at a time, and you can either manually enter these raffles for extra chances, or they'll also just be automatically entered into the giveaways just from being active in the server. Down here we've got a whole section on Corgita, which is a wholesaler that we're partnered with. We've also got Amazon EU deals, so these are all deals that are basically from other marketplaces, so products that are super cheap in Germany that you can buy from Germany, import, and then sell in the UK at a much higher price. This is something that a lot of members have been making a lot of money from recently, so definitely if you join, it's worth paying attention to these sections. We've of course got our famous retail arbitrage sections as well, so we have a whole bunch of UK staff on the ground finding deals for us, and then we go into stores like Tesco, Sainsbury's, Aldi, and all these other big name supermarkets and shops, and trying to find products on the ground that you can then go and buy at your local store and flip on Amazon for a profit. So you can see this one, for example, we've even got a picture of the actual cute little plushie in store. It's £6.50 in Aldi. You see they're selling 50 times a month on Amazon at about 20 quid profit. So for every one that you buy, you're making about £3.50. Head down to your local Aldi, buy 10 of these, and straight away that's 35 quid profit in your wallet. We've also got details on the mentorship programs that we offer as well. So if you want kind of more one-to-one guidance rather than just kind of leads and community and stuff like that, that's something that we offer in LiveCops as well. We've also got a whole bunch of software that's included for free. So for example, Storefront Bot, this is software that allows you to track what your competitors are doing and basically kind of copy what products they're buying. And this software is completely free for LiveCops members. You can actually buy this software separately. It's usually £29 a month. So to be included in a 60 quid a month subscription along with everything else is just real value. We've got details as well on setting up Chaos Auto Checkout. So it's the auto checkout software that I mentioned earlier to buy deals for you automatically without you lifting a finger. And we've even got a few more monitors down here just for various other retailers just tracking certain products that are in high demand. And you can even use our private restock monitors to track any products that you like yourself. So there you have it. That is LiveCops. That's the full roadmap from zero to your first sale in our free group all the way to a 6-figure automated business in our paid group. You don't have to do this alone, and you don't have to waste money on bad advice and bad deals. If you're ready to start, click the first link down below in the video description and join the free community today. It literally costs you nothing. Let's get you that first sale.